So hi ma'am, thank you so much for connecting. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आपका। मैम एक और दिए, आपकी आवाज में चेक कर लूं पहले, आ रही है कि साफ की नहीं।
Yeah, and sorry, I've got inflation in my eye.
That is okay. That's perfect, ma'am. That's absolutely perfect. No problem. Thank you so much कि आपने वक्त निकाला, आप आ गई हमारे प्लेटफॉर्म पर आज के दिन, ये बहुत बड़ी बात है। सबसे पहला सवाल तो मैम यही है कि आप 3-4 बार आई हैं, आपने ये दौर लोगों के साथ गुजारा है, 1 साल लगातार आप इस जस्टिस फॉर सुशांत फाइट में लगातार एक्टिव रही हैं। क्या लगता है 1 साल बाद 14 जून 2021, पूरे 1 साल हो रहे हैं, आपके मुताबिक ये केस, ये पूरी मुहिम, ये पूरा कैंपेन आज कहां खड़ा है? वेयर इज इट स्टैंडिंग?
सबसे पहले तो मैं सबको ग्रेट करती हूँ और बधाई देती हूँ कि दे आर स्टैंडिंग फॉर सुशांत, and my condolences to the family, because this is irreversible loss, and our heart is with Sushant today. I have been thinking about my child. I think about her all the time. She lives in me. But thinking about Sushant, the injustice, the word injustice it started the day last year on this day, the injustice started. And the injustice carried on till today. How long it will carry on, that is a big question mark. But looking at everything, as you have said, Mr. Jha, that what I think about it, I have a very, very dim, perception about Sushant or Disha or Jia getting justice. My question was never justice. My thing was, my fight was always for truth. I am trying to say to the agency, I understand that you have signed an impunity. Means we know it, but we don't want to punish the criminals. But at least don't fool us. We have got so much trust on you. There is a machinery going on. There is a justice judiciary system going on. So for the sake and the honor of that, let the common person, common people, today common people are raising voice. For their sake, at least bring the truth out. Whether you will bring justice, over the period of time and all is different. But to scandalize these deaths by calling them suicide, which we as common people know, even our common intellect is telling us, no, it is not the case of suicide. It is a case of homicide. Do you understand?
Which is murder.
Yeah. It is a great insult, in fact, not to our intellect, to their intellect. It's a humiliation not to our intellect, but to their status. They are humiliating and insulting themselves. And they are taking away the faith and belief from every common person. This is a real shame. Shame on the nation. Because if this is how you're going to create fear on a common person mind, that you either listen to us, you will be also killed, or you will be shut up, or you will be injected to sleep, then then what is this all about? Judiciary, then it should be abolished. If you want to cherry pick the cases, then abolish it, then release all the prisoners and cherry pick people and put them in. Because this machinery is only extorting money, and they are just, people are doing things only to gain power or status. And if an officer is promised that he will be given a status or a promotion, he will work. So the criminals' pockets are so deep that they are sabotaging every person who's coming up by saying, what is your agenda? Like, why are you raising voice? They will never allow, Sunil, for the evidences to go up to the court. Because what is justice? We are fighting for justice. Justice is when you collect evidences and bring it to the judge. And judge is not an investigating officer. And we common people are not investigators. We are not given us access everywhere to go, and the power that we are given, okay, go and interrogate who you suspect. No. They should have suspected people who have already committed crime earlier, because this case is so similar to Jia's case. So they should have suspected even the accused in Jia Khan's case. They should have taken his call log whether he was in the vicinity or when did he last meet Sushant Singh, because they were friends. And I believe Sushant had a fight with him, which didn't go very well, that he was forced to apologize. So what I'm trying to say, that where is this case going? This case, Sushant Singh's case, is going nowhere. Public is given false hopes. In Jia Khan's case, because I did most of their work, that is why, and took the evidences that were not even in the chart sheet, Sunil. Photographs were not there. I have already said this before, so I don't want to focus on that. I want to bring out on Sushant, and let's talk about Sushant today. And I am standing for him, and my family is standing for him. And my question is, that has the lawyer, by writing, asked for all the evidences, asked for all the forensic reports, whether right or wrong? Even we did not get all the forensic reports which were rightly done or wrongly done. We collected everything and went to the experts in the world.
Sorry. Carry on.
And we went to the experts around the world and in India. We had 4 forensic experts in India and 1 abroad who have the certification, who has the wisdom, and who have the authentications, and they are ready to help the court. They have not been summoned. 9 years, the trial is on. After 9 years, CBI is asking for the evidences from the court. Why? Because the police did not give. Now, the case happened in Bombay, and Maharashtra police has not done anything. Whatever was taken and collected must have been destroyed. But what I'm saying, last year, CBI got this case. CBI should have gone to Supreme Court and to High Court asking for evidence. Did CBI do that? CBI never did that in my case. Today, CBI is asking the trial court, give us the evidence. And because of COVID, there was date after date after date. We didn't get any order. CBI didn't get any order. And for a long time, CBI was in the same boat as accused. So today also, the Mumbai police has not given any evidence to CBI. Now, whether the Mumbai police has got or they have been destroyed, but CBI can go and take help from the court. Why is CBI not going there? That's my question.
Ma'am, tell me one thing. Sushant's fans have been fighting for last 1 year, relentlessly, including you. You have also been participating whenever required, whenever they have asked, or on your own also, you have been appearing for the shows, you have been coming, commenting, giving them strength. जितना कुछ भी सुशांत के फैंस ने किया है इस पूरे 1 साल में, उसका इम्पैक्ट क्या है? बिकॉज दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ठीक है, सीबीआई काम उस हद तक नहीं कर रही है या एनसीबी अपना काम कर रही है. जो फैंस ने कैंपेन चलाया उसका प्लस क्या है? व्हाट इज द टेक अवे? जिसके कारण कुछ भी हुआ, अगर थोड़ा भी हुआ तो उसके कारण हुआ, वो क्या है?
To be very frank, people whose voice matter, they are not speaking. Neither from Bollywood, neither the politicians, neither the Home Minister, nobody. Our voice don't matter. Our children don't matter to them. Do you understand me? Until there won't be a real protest or a movement down the street at their door. You understand me? Like even Jessica Lal case, you can see. Nirbhaya's case, you can see. There was a revolution. Unless a revolution is not created, nothing is going to happen. You can keep on coming to these platforms year after year, year after year. They will not, nothing will happen. They wanted votes from Bihar to Patna, from Patna to Gujarat or anywhere. Then everybody was going with the promise that, oh, so-and-so leader will come, Sushant will get justice. Did it happen? Did it happen? People got promoted one after the other. Now what is being spread? Like in Antalia's case, overnight there was an investigation. Overnight data were out from the telephone, from the digital. Overnight Police went into the rivers and got all the evidences. Overnight, everything under the interrogation in custody, they got all the information. Right? In this case, and there, no media was there. No movement was there. No public or fans were there. There was just one order. Just one order. This needs to be done, and Waze and CP Parambir was out, and today they have established exactly what is happening. So the truth is out. The truth is out. The truth is completely out through Waze and through Parambir.
So basically, you are saying, ma'am, कि अगर कोई करना चाहे तो ये 24 घंटे में कर सकते.
Yes, उसी वक्त हो जाना था. और अगर उस वक्त नहीं हुआ तो जिस दिन सीबीआई को केस मिला था लास्ट ईयर, उसके एक ही हफ्ते के अंदर अंदर हो जाना था. अरेस्ट भी हो जाने थे, इंटरोगेशन भी होना था, एंड देन प्रोसीड फर्दर. ये क्या बात हुई? आप होप दे रहे हैं, हम कर रहे हैं. आप क्या कर रहे हैं? आप तो कुछ कर भी नहीं सकते हैं जब तक कि आपको अथॉरिटी का ऑर्डर ना आ जाए. आपके ऊपर भी एक अथॉरिटी है.
ये बहुत सारे फैंस सवाल उठाते हैं जो मैम आप बोल रही हैं. बहुत सारे लोग बोलते हैं कि शायद केस को लटकाकर सीबीआई इस केस को खत्म कर रही है. आज भी कई सारे आर्टिकल छपे हैं कि सीबीआई के पास कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है बट टू डिसाइड ऑन द डेट जब वो क्लोजर रिपोर्ट फाइल करेगी, क्योंकि उसके हाथ में कुछ भी नहीं.
They tried a lot to close my case. I kept on raising question. Now, what I have done is Sushant's family going to do? Is Sushant's lawyer going to do? By going and collecting evidences from them, taking all the reports, taking everything, going and giving it to the experts and taking their opinion and then raising voice. My everything was into the media. I was giving it, giving it to media who was pressing it and who was asking questions. Today, every media has been compromised or complicit with them, that they don't even raise question apart from you guys, apart from these platforms, apart from what Republic did. What Republic did and what you people did, it managed to come to CBI. Right? There was a movement on the street. There was a chaos on the street. That was in the heat of that passion. With COVID, so much has been suppressed. Now you can't even go in masses and you can't even have a movement.
So if that is the case, ma'am, तो आप ये बताइए कि because Jia died very early and it's almost 8 years now. You have been struggling. आपको पता है कि एक माँ के तौर पे क्या गुजरती है, एक फैमिली के तौर पे क्या गुजरती है. जिया की बहनें हैं, जिया के फादर हैं, मतलब एज अ फैमिली काफी कुछ आप लोग गुजरे होंगे. जाहिर है 8 साल में, पहले ज्यादा, धीरे धीरे कम, लेकिन हर साल हर दिन आप लोग गुजरते हैं. सुशांत के परिवार को 1 साल, ये 1 साल हुए हैं, 1 साल के इस ट्रेजेडी को परिवार ने कैसे हैंडल किया होगा? क्या फैमिली की क्या सिचुएशन होगी 1 साल बाद, जब उनको भी तो दिख रहा होगा कुछ नहीं हो रहा है. आपको दिख रहा है, हमको दिख रहा है, लोगों को दिख रहा है, तो फैमिली क्या करेगी? फैमिली कितनी फ्रस्ट्रेटेड होगी?
सुनील, उनको मालूम है, they are probably more intelligent than I am, because there's no question of intellect. It's a matter of emotions. It's a matter of that I by the grace of God got those evidences, which now police has learned, no, we will not give anything. But they have the right as a victim's family. They have a right on everything, on Sushant's pictures that has been taken by police, on every evidence, on every report. They have a right. You understand my point? Now the thing is that they know that I had been going, and where do I stand? My money has gone, but these criminals have got deep pocket. So the family must be knowing that they are so influential. They are so influential that they will empty them. And they know, these criminals know कि ये family गरीब है या middle class है या higher middle class है. They can't compete with our power. They cannot compete with our money.
So emotionally family से कितना affected हो जाती है? आपसे बेहतर कोई जानता नहीं है.
Definitely family is devastated, and family knows that even if they will spend money, nothing will happen. So why even spend that kind of resources? You see, my machine is on. My machinery is working. My trial is still on. He has been accused. But in Sushant's case, no one has been accused. No one. You understand me?
That
In
is
my
true.
case, there is an accused. Now,
So there
whether
is a
this,
trial. So there is a trial.
yeah, and though they have put an abatement, which they didn't even collect any evidence, that was just for the sake of it. They could fool people only for till some time, but not all the time.
But at least there is a trial. You are absolutely
There is
right.
a trial, and there is, in Sushant's case, what is there? CBI, I mean, it is so sad. Whether, even if CBI has got pressure, CBI is an institute, CBI is a body. They can also stand on their own and fight it out.
तो मैम जो सीबीआई कहती है, जैसे आज भी उन्होंने कहा है कि हम केस को इन्वेस्टिगेट कर रहे हैं और सारे ही एस्पेक्ट्स को देख रहे हैं, सारे ही एस्पेक्ट को इन्वेस्टिगेट कर रहे हैं, सारे एंगल को देख रहे हैं. हाउ डू यू सी दैट? फिर ये स्टेटमेंट के मतलब क्या है? स्टेटमेंट
किस एस्पेक्ट को दे रहे हैं बताए तो सही. इट इज देयर ड्यूटी टू कीप ऑन इन्फॉर्मिंग टू द विक्टिम्स ना. इट इज देयर ड्यूटी. क्या एस्पेक्ट देख रहे हैं आप? कॉल लॉग्स देख रहे हैं, आप डेटास देख रहे हैं, आप उसके हार्ड आप उसको उन लोगों को इंटरोगेट कर रहे हैं कि आपने हार्डवेयर जो पिकअप किया था, उसके घर से जो चीजें ली थी वो किधर है? आपने किसी को बुलाया? आपने किसी को से पूछा? आप तो डाइवर्ट कर रहे हैं ईडी को बुला के और एनसीबी को बुला के. आप तो कुछ और ही कर रहे हैं. आप खुद तो कुछ नहीं कर रहे हैं. आप वेट कर रहे हैं उनकी तरफ से आपको कुछ. आई मीन, आई एम सॉरी, मुझे तो ये इट डजंट मेक एनी सेंस टू मी.
ओके मैम, टेल मी वन थिंग. बॉलीवुड में पिछले दिसंबर 25 से लेकर दिसंबर से 25 आई मीन 2019 दिसंबर 25 से लास्ट ईयर दिसंबर तक तकरीबन 37 लोग की मौत हुई और ज्यादातर सुसाइड से हुई अंडर मिस्टीरियस सर्कमस्टांसेस. ऐसा बॉलीवुड में क्यों होता है?
देखिए सुनील जी, सुसाइड मरना कोई इतना आसान नहीं है. समझ में आ रही है? मरना आसान नहीं है. कोई अपनी जान ऐसे नहीं दे देता. और इनको अच्छी तरह से मालूम है ये सब. Because Sushant had an investigative eye and an investigative mind, he was probing into things, and it leaked out that Sushant कोई गहरा आदमी है, कोई गहरा. They thought कि कोई चाल. So all these people who were linked directly, indirectly to him have been killed. They all have.
That is how you view it.
That is how it is. That is how it is. They are creating, because they know that Bollywood has become larger than life. So they want to protect Bollywood and create a fear that it is a world, it's a cult, and it is a world of underworld.
Okay, now tell me, अगर ऐसा ही है, अगर ऐसा है तो पिछले एक साल में सुशांत सिंह राजपूत के जाने के 14 जून 2020 से लेकर 14 जून 2021 के बीच बॉलीवुड के हाथ क्या आया है?
बॉलीवुड के हाथ क्या आया का क्या मतलब?
मतलब पहली बार ऐसा हुआ है जब लोग बॉलीवुड से नफरत करने लगे. पहले क्या हुआ? पहले दिव्या भारती हुई, इग्नोर हो गया. प्रत्युषा बनर्जी हुई, इग्नोर हो गया. जिया खान हुई, इग्नोर हो गया. जिया खान का स्ट्रगल सिर्फ राबिया खान का स्ट्रगल था, लोगों का स्ट्रगल नहीं बना. लेकिन सुशांत सिंह राजपूत के जाने के बाद लोगों ने जस्टिस का डिमांड पहले किया और बाद में बॉयकॉट बॉलीवुड का कॉल देकर बॉलीवुड से नफरत करना शुरू कर दिया. ये जो एक साल गुजरा है, इसमें आपको क्या लगता है, बॉलीवुड को नुकसान हुआ है या बॉलीवुड वापस उसी ढर्रे पे आ जाएगा जिस ढर्रे पे था?
देखिए, ये लोगों का ये परसेप्शन है कि दे कैन फूल पीपल कि by bringing icons, because they are divas and they are the gods and they need to be worshipped. So now that delusion जो उनके दिमाग में ये फुतूर था वो उतर रहा है, वो पर्दा स्पष्ट हो गया है by the way Sushant and Disha were killed, because people started raising questions, and the way I have projected and brought my case forward, people have understood. They were listening to me and they were understanding what I am trying to tell them. All the evidences that I have done, collected and given to the police. Why police is not raising questions? Why we common people have to raise questions? Do you think that these people are not trained? These people are very well trained. They are looking the other way because it is so badly corrupted. And Bollywood icons think that police is in our pocket. And police think Bollywood people have got politicians in their pocket. So if the politicians are in Bollywood's
It's a
pocket,
nexus. It's a nexus.
it's such a web.
So मैम, अगर आपके केस को, यानी जिया के केस को आपने 7 साल लड़ा और शायद लोगों ने उतना ध्यान नहीं दिया, तो पिछले 1 साल में आपकी आवाज लोगों ने सुनी फाइनली, आपको ऐसा लग रहा है? या शायद सुशांत सिंह राजपूत के कारण ही सही, कम से कम वो चीजें जो आप 7 साल तक नहीं कह पाई, वो पिछले 1 साल में लोगों ने ज्यादा सुनी.
Yes, by your help, like calling me on your platform, where you have got millions of viewers, by appearing into the public and telling them what the facts are, what the truth is. By bringing out, I did not say anything on my own. I was reading out directly from police's charge sheet and CBI's charge sheet. Our investigation has been from their charge sheet. You understand me? Whatever was written in the charge sheet, in Sushant's case, there is no charge sheet, because what is CBI going to write if whatever?
Actually, that is extremely critical. ये लोगों को समझ नहीं आ रहा. जब तक चार्ज शीट नहीं होगा या होगी, और तब तक इस केस की कोई बिसाती नहीं है, क्योंकि चार्जशीट है तो वो बेसिस है. एटलीस्ट जिया खान के केस में वो अबेटमेंट ऑफ सुसाइड हो या मर्डर हो, लेकिन एक चार्जशीट है. You still have a hope that abatement of suicide can turn into murder or otherwise, but there is a charge sheet, there is a trial. सुशांत के केस में क्योंकि चार्ज शीट ही नहीं है, कोई अरेस्ट ही नहीं है, तो इस बात की उम्मीद भी नहीं है कि शायद कल कोई ट्रायल होगा. इसीलिए लोग शायद ज्यादा फ्रस्ट्रेट हो रहे हैं, जो आप एक्सप्लेन करेंगे. तो लोगों का जो फ्रस्ट्रेशन है वो समझ में आ रहा है, क्योंकि अरेस्ट नहीं हो रहे हैं, चार्जशीट फाइल नहीं हो रहा, तो उनको लग रहा है कुछ भी नहीं हुआ.
So there must be, people should ask how long can they hold on, in writing a charge sheet? You understand me? In producing a charge sheet to the court, is it an unlimited time, or there must be some time bound?
It should be time bound. Yes, you are right. There is no time bound investigation, but you are right. There should be a time bound period.
In my case, CBI filed an inconclusive charge sheet because I gave them an expert's opinion from abroad. I brought Jason Payne's report. Give this case to Jason Payne. He's expert in criminology. He's a crime expert. World #1. He's famous. He helps metropolitans, international police. So give the case to him. He will help CBI. If CBI thinks they are not incompetent, they are very much competent. They don't need FBI or forensic, experts from abroad. They know, but they should write a charge sheet. They should charge people into it and call them, interview them, write their statement, interrogate them, and then take them to trial.
So ma'am, before I come to talking about Sushant and your experience last 1 year, tell me one thing. बॉलीवुड को लेकर जो हम लोग पूछ रहे हैं सवाल, या लोग पूछ रहे हैं, आपको क्या लग रहा है कि ये बॉलीवुड का जो बॉयकॉट कॉल का इम्पैक्ट हुआ है, यू आर आल्सो सेइंग कि अब शायद लोगों के दिमाग से वो जो फितूर था वो खत्म हो रहा है, तो ये इम्पैक्ट चलेगा, लॉन्ग टर्म होगा, या ये धीरे धीरे वक्त के साथ घुल मिल जाएगा और फिर लोग वापस उसी तरह से बॉलीवुड को देखने लगेंगे जैसे पहले देखते थे? व्हाट डू यू थिंक क्या होगा? क्योंकि यू हैव लॉस्ट अ एक्टर डॉटर. Jia Khan was a very promising actress. I will talk about her a little later, but she was a promising actress. She died. Divya Bharti was top of her art. She died. Sushant Singh Rajput was rising very fast. He died. तो फिर लोगों का जो गलतफहमी जो आपके मुताबिक अब टूटी है, ये आखिर कब तक टूटी रहेगी या फिर लौट जाएगी?
देखिए, मैं तो सबसे दरख्वास्त करूंगी कि प्लीज इस मूवमेंट को टूटने मत दो. डोंट, क्योंकि अगर आप लोग हिम्मत, ये तो इनका मोटिव है, ये तो यही लोग चाहते हैं कि जनता जो है अब इसको भूल जाए, थक जाए और चुप हो जाए. ये तो इनका मोटिव है. फिर हम दोबारा से आ जाएंगे. जब तक आप लोगों का ये लड़ाई रहेगी और ये आवाज उठती रहेगी, बॉलीवुड विल बी इन फियर. Bollywood will be in fear that they cannot come up, because people are still screaming. People need to know what happened to Disha and Sushant, what happened to Jia Khan. I have already brought evidences to them. They need to, now they are asking evidences from the court. Please give us, the police has not given us. So the voice has to rise, because जब तक voice rise होगी तो Bollywood दबी रहेगी. You understand me? और उससे इनको बॉलीवुड को बहुत नुकसान हो सकता, मॉनिटरी नुकसान. बॉलीवुड सरवाइव किस पे करती है? मॉनिटरी गेन पे करती है, आवाम के ऊपर करती है. पुलिस ऑफिसर कितने होंगे? 50,000 1 लाख होगा. पर मासेस जो जाती है फिल्मों देखने के लिए, जब वो बंद कर देंगे और इनकी पीठ के ऊपर एक हथौड़ा पड़ेगा, तब जाके इनको होश आएगा, और तब जाके लॉज इन बॉलीवुड चेंज होंगे. नहीं तो बॉलीवुड चेंज नहीं होगा.
मैम, एक साल में आपने लगातार सुशांत के केस को फॉलो किया. सुशांत को लेकर एक चीज कही जाती है कि ज्यादातर लोग ने सुशांत को उसके जाने के बाद जाना है. आपको पहले कितना पता था सुशांत के बारे में, पिछले 1 साल में कितना पता चला, और क्या क्या आपको लगता है जो सुशांत स्टैंड आउट करता था?
देखिए, मैंने सबसे पहले सुशांत के बारे में अपनी बेटी से सुना था, जब उसकी वो फिल्म देखने गई थी काय पोचे, और उसने कहा कि ओ मम्मी, I went to see this movie with Suraj, and it's one actor that I would love to work, and the movie is fantastic.
This is 2012, 2013.
Yeah, 2012. And the movie is amazing. And guess what happened? I was praising the guy, and Suraj didn't talk to me for 3 days. Just because she was praising the guy, he did not speak to her for 3 days. So anyway, that was the first time.
That was the first experience.
Okay. Yeah, and then after that, somebody sent me a link where they said that Sushant Singh, had a fight with Suraj Pancholi. So that is the second time I came to know about this boy.
Okay.
And then I was reading about what happened. He's being forced to apologize, Suraj Pancholi. All these drama was happening. After that, suddenly I hear that he's dead. He's gone. So I screamed, because for me it was so traumatizing news that I literally had a trauma, and I screamed, and I said to the public, to the audience, please don't believe that it's a suicide. This is a murder. That's when the first time I came on media. And I openly said what I had experienced with CBI officer who was pressurized by the Bollywood icons that do not interrogate Suraj Pancholi, do not touch him, because we are launching him in the movie. I openly came and I said, because out of that impulse, out of that passion, out of that grief,
So you thought that kuch galat ho gaya Sushant?
I knew that he's been killed.
Okay.
My first instinct was he's been killed. This is a murder. And my instinct was that this is a serial killer. And to be very frank, though Miss Kangana Ranawat was going on nepotism, I said, please, Sushant was courageous enough, Jia was courageous enough to face nepotism, because they had so much talent in them. They didn't need a director. Director needed them. Do you understand my point? So I was again and again raising my voice. Please don't divert the case towards nepotism.
Okay. Now coming to post 14th of June. 14 जून से लेकर और इस 14 जून तक 1 साल में क्या वो चीजें थी जो आपने सुशांत के बारे में आपको मालूम ही था, that in terms of positive thing, I mean not negative, positive things में, कि बहुत सारे लोगों ने एक्सप्लोर किया है सुशांत को सुशांत के जाने के बाद. Which is the quality that you explored? कि अरे इस लड़के में ये भी क्वालिटी थी, मुझे पता नहीं था. Anything that is specific?
When I was listening to everybody's views coming out about Sushant, he and Jia were absolutely similar. Both had hobbies. They loved animals. They loved music. They loved watching the sky. They were articulated. They were well educated. They had future plan. There was nothing that I could say that did not resemble, that was not in Jia. They both was charitable. They both raised funds. Their heart went for the vulnerable. I mean, when these things I discovered, I said, oh my God, he was actually just like Jia. And
I remember आप मेरी शो में जब पहली बार आई थी मैम, and you got a little emotional. उस वक्त आपने ये बात कही थी कि मुझे दोनों में फर्क नजर नहीं आता है, क्योंकि जब मैंने जितना भी जाना है मुझे लगता है कि वो सारी चीजें जिया में थी वो सुशांत में थी.
Yes.
So that's what you explored after his death.
And both loved animals. She was telling me, "Mummy, keep a black dog, you know." But where I stay, dogs are not allowed. So I couldn't. I cannot have it in Bombay. Yes, it was a different thing, but in London I cannot. But Sushant, who had a dog, if now Jia was also told because Surat Pancholi came to me that Jia has some problems. Jia is weird. I said, मुझे तो तू वियर्ड लगता है, जिया तो कोई वियर्ड नहीं है. एंड ही इज गिविंग मी एग्जांपल कि जिया कैसे टेबल सेट करती है, डिनर टेबल सेट करती है. तो आई सेड, हैव यू एवर बीन टू सम फाइन डाइनिंग? हैव यू एवर बीन टू सम मिशेलिन रेस्टोरेंट्स? दैट हाउ फाइन डाइनिंग हैज इज सेट.
What is normal for one can be abnormal for the other.
For the other. और जिया ड्रिंक्स वाइन. सो आई सेड, हम तो खाने के साथ हमेशा वाइन पीते हैं. तू तो हार्ड अल्कोहल लेता है, तेरा तो लेटर है मेरे पास that I got drunk, so I lost it on Jia. So you understand my point? I mean, so similarity was in Sushant. He was constantly told something is wrong with you. You better get yourself checked. Go to a psychiatric. Go to this thing. Go to some counseling. He was constantly told. So somebody who's been fed mentally, completely, constantly that something is wrong with you. She said, okay, all right, I'll check it out. अगर मेरा husband मुझे कहेगा तो I will also say, okay, I'll go and see that doctor.
That's true.
And check it out, because my husband is saying, somebody that, you know, probably I have laid my trust on. So that makes a difference, you know.
Tell me one thing, ये इस एक साल में कोई कभी आपको ऐसा लगा that where you got a dream about Sushant, and because Sushant doesn't have a mother and Jia you lost, so did you ever get the feeling that, you know, he came in the dream and you felt that, you know, I lost my son, something of that sort? Did you get that feeling emotionally?
I considered, yes, I did not have a dream, but I had
I mean the thoughts, not dream per se when you sleep, I mean thoughts.
I have my daughter all the time. Very, very frequently I see Jia. Jia as a baby, Jia as a grown-up. But Sushant did not come in my dream. But Sushant is no less as Jia was to me. Do you understand me? That's that boy that my heart goes out to. I don't know why, whether it is a mystical connection or what. I never met him. But knowing and studying about him and seeing and the way my child has been killed and the way he has been killed. So all that connection brought me close to him.
इस इंडस्ट्री को, फिल्म बॉलीवुड को मैम, सुशांत, जिया, ऐसे पढ़े लिखे लोग, ऐसे वेल एजुकेटेड, स्मार्ट, इंटेलिजेंट लोगों की जरूरत है. लेकिन इंडस्ट्री में ऐसे बहुत से कम लोग हैं. अगर इंडस्ट्री को चेंज होना है और अगर ऐसे होगा तो क्या बाहर से लोग आएंगे, और अगर उनको आना है तो फिर इंडस्ट्री में क्या चेंज होना है?
देखिए, इंडस्ट्री सिर्फ थ्राइव करती है ऑन पीपल दे कैन कंट्रोल. सूरत पंचोली लॉस्ट हिज कंट्रोल ऑन जिया that night. He knew he had a lot of insecurities over the 8 months, because many times Jia wanted to leave him and he used to beg and ki mat jao, you know, don't leave me, I'll be devastated and all. And that night she threw the flowers and all. So when the control slips, then you know what happens, right? So Bollywood does not want people who are free-spirited and free-minded like Sushant, Disha and Jia, or Divya Bharti, or Parveen Babi, or Shri Devi kind. You understand my point? They want to control. They want people to seal their lips. All these actresses during Me Too, how many actresses came out and said that Me Too was humiliated and, you know...
in fact, it is shocking to see that the people who against whom allegations of Me Too were leveled are now again back in focus, yes, judging shows and doing this and doing that, and people are accepting it. It's extremely shocking.
It is not shocking. It is humiliating and ashamed.
True.
It is
completely
ashamed, that ashamed on the system. But this is why? Because Bollywood has become larger than life. Bollywood has become, the police officers, they bow down to Bollywood. The ministers bow down to Bollywood. You understand?
फिर ऐसे लोग, मैम, ऐसे लोग फिर कैसे आएंगे? क्योंकि ऐसे लोग आना जरूरी है, अगर नहीं आएंगे तो बॉलीवुड चेंज नहीं होगा, तो फिर ऐसे लोग आएंगे क्या नहीं आएंगे?
Boycott them, seriously boycott them, seriously boycott them, and then you see, because arrogance does not survive. Even Ravan was to be killed by Sri Ram because of his arrogance. Was he less in knowledge? Was he less? He was also larger than life. But when he thought that he's invincible, no one can touch, that is where they go wrong. Bollywood icons are making big mistake. And by not giving justice, by suppressing CBI from filing charge sheet, by suppressing anybody who raises voice, is not going to solve their.
मैंने एक्चुअली भाई, क्या आपको लगता है बॉलीवुड ने जो पब्लिक का एंगर था, पब्लिक का जो आउटबर्स्ट था, पब्लिक की जो डिमांड थी जस्टिस, उसको क्या अंडर एस्टिमेट कर लिया सुशांत सिंह राजपूत केस में? उनको समझ नहीं आया कि एंगर कितना है। नतीजा ये हुआ कि आज एक के बाद एक फिल्में फ्लॉप हो रही हैं। शायद अभी भी समझ में नहीं आई बात।
अभी भी नहीं आई। They are too arrogant. They are too arrogant. They think they can manage police. अरे ऑफिसर ने बुलाया ना, चलो ठीक है, चाय पीते हैं उनके साथ, बिस्किट खा लेते हैं उनके साथ, और वही होता है। और एग्जैक्टली वही हुआ। कितना टाइम वेस्ट हुआ, जिसे कहते हैं गोल्डन आवर वेस्ट हो गया था सुशांत का वक्त, जस्ट फ्यू आइकॉन्स कमिंग विथ नेपोटिज्म and diverting the whole thing towards. Now, for example, like Ms. Ranawat in Aapki Adalat, how much she told about accused's father. But when Jia passed away, she could have said like father, like son. But she was saying if somebody is in mental state like that and takes away their life, one should not be blamed. Now that's very wrong. She knows the accused and the accused's son better than she knows Jia. So how much did she know Sushant? You understand my point? What about people who were just close to him? Was he so isolated? If he was isolated, that means he was the target.
तो फिर आम लोगों के परिवार से जो लोग आते हैं मैम, उनके लिए बॉलीवुड में जगह ही नहीं।
जगह होगी अगर वो उनके कंट्रोल में आ सकते हैं। जगह होगी अगर वो जो देख रहे हैं तो सोच लो कि देखा नहीं, और जो बोलना चाहते हैं वो बोलो मत।
यानी जिया खान जैसे लोग और सुशांत सिंह राजपूत जैसे लोग जो प्रोटेस्ट करेंगे वो एक्सेप्टेबल नहीं होंगे।
नहीं, यस। जिया खान ने जरूर उस रात को उसको खुल के बहुत कुछ बताया होगा जो उसने जाना होगा, कि इसको बहुत कुछ मालूम है। सुशांत का तो as he was investigating, because I saw some of the slides as which is being rotating in YouTubes and all. So Sushant, as he was investigating, and he had an investigative mind, and he had that engineering mind, so he wanted to know what is engineering this Bollywood, how is this Bollywood machinery working, who is the controller, who is controlling the economy. That is when a question arises, that means the seed has already gone into your mind and you are definitely going to investigate.
So maybe Sushant was trying to find out more than what he should have.
Yes, right? And that leaked out, and that was exactly what has taken him.
So where do you see the investigation going now? अब ये केस कहाँ जाएगा इसके बाद? आपको क्या लगा? और फैंस को क्या करना चाहिए?
I think fans should ask CBI to file the charge sheet ASAP, because that will actually show exactly where the direction is going. All this ED and taking Pithani under his wings, they must be. We don't know what they're asking. Nothing is out. No information. Oh, Pithani has released this. Pithani has given this secret. Pithani has. Nothing is out.
एक कॉमन फैक्टर और भी है मैम, सुशांत सिंह राजपूत और जिया खान में, अगर मैं करेक्ट हूं तो करेक्ट मी इफ आई एम रॉन्ग, June is the month for when both of them died. Is that correct?
Because the serial killer goes eccentric in the month of June. He goes eccentric. You understand me? When you're not balanced, he is calling tomorrow. He didn't get a chance to say that Jia was bipolar. they got a chance to say that Sushant was bipolar. I am 2000% correct that the person who has killed Sushant, Jia and Disha is bipolar. Have him checked.
So now tell me, ma'am, 8 years it has been since Jia died.
Yeah.
How do you feel when it comes to the emotional aspect of your life? 8 साल अपनी बेटी के बिना, बड़ी बेटी के बिना निकाल देना, और तब जब ऐसे इंसिडेंट्स होते हैं, when you have to revisit the whole thing in terms of memory, वो कितना disturbing होता है?
It's very, to tell you frankly, from yesterday, I went into a kind of a low, feeling low. I will not use word depressed, because what happens when you feel low, people say, kya depressed feel kar rahi ho? Now, depression is like a flu, like a cold. And in India, for every little thing, a person has gone into depression. So I am now so scared to even use a word that I'm feeling a little depressed. Am I seriously or clinically depressed? My daughter has gone, it's been 8 years. I have come to terms that I communicate with her in spirit. As I'm telling you that she comes, very often she comes in my dream. And in my night when I'm sleeping, to me, my life is like a normal life with her. And I have become very spiritual. I've taken a spiritual path. So my communication is very spiritual. And same way I look at Sushant and Disha.
So this 1 year, ma'am, were there days जब आपको लगा कि अब बर्दाश्त नहीं होता इस 1 साल में? क्योंकि आप लगातार सुन रही थी, आप पार्टिसिपेट कर रही थी, आप गुजर रही थी उसी दौर से दोबारा.
मुझे तो हर वक्त बर्दाश्त नहीं, एक तरह से गुस्सा भी आता है, एक तरह से शर्मिंदा भी हो जाती हूँ. यू अंडरस्टैंड मी? कि हम कॉमन लोग लीडर्स बनाते हैं, हम कॉमन लोग इन आइकॉन्स को आइकॉन बनाते हैं, हम कॉमन लोग क्या कर रहे हैं? That is why I come again and again to every platform and raise my voice that it is our responsibility. It is our responsibility. Like our Prime Minister was a common man like us. He had a common heart like us. He was doing things for the common people. So it is our voice that made him leaders. It is our votes. So here we are raising our voice and asking a question. At least our question should be answered. एक एटिकेट होता है, एक पोलाइटनेस होती है, एक ह्यूमैनिटी होती है कि चलो मैं बता दूं कि देखिए हमको ये पता चला है, हमको ये पता चला है. People are waiting anxiously. Is this how you treat a common person? And then when the vote comes, you start promising again. This time we are going to bring Sushant's case out. We will get them arrested. And nothing happens. You take the votes, you take the seats, and nothing happens.
So do you feel, ma'am, or you felt during last 1 year sometime that sense of helplessness? मैं जिया तुम्हारे लिए कुछ कर नहीं पाई, सुशांत मैं तुम्हारे लिए कुछ कर नहीं पा रही हूँ, ऐसा फीलिंग आया?
I am doing it. I don't feel helpless. I am doing it. You are doing it. Your fans are doing it. Your viewers are doing it. We have to raise, we have to go, we have to crack the social media. आज पैलेस्टाइन एंड इजराइल में क्या हुआ था? सोशल मीडिया ने इतना प्रेशर डाला that leaders and people like लंदन में पहली दफा in centuries 2.5 लाख आदमी सड़क के पर आया था to tell Israel to cease fire.
सोशल मीडिया इज टर्न वेरी पावरफुल, बट आई थिंक शायद लोगों को अभी भी समझ में नहीं आई कि सोशल मीडिया का रेलेवेंस क्या है.
Yes, Sushant has said social media is the most powerful weapon.
Yes, Sushant clearly said, I will just repeat. Sushant said कि ये वो तलवार है जिसका इस्तेमाल कभी-कभी जरूरी हो जाता है. जब कोई चीज गलत हो जाए उस वक्त सुधारने के लिए इससे बेहतर तलवार नहीं है जिसका नाम है सोशल मीडिया. तो सोशल मीडिया इज अ boon and also is boon in disguise at a time when you want to bring a truth out. और वो शायद maybe it was premonition for him because किसने सोचा था कि एक दिन सुशांत के लिए यही सोशल मीडिया खड़ा हो जाएगा और पब्लिक उसी सोशल मीडिया के जरिए आवाज उठाएगी. It is very intriguing.
या सुनील जी, मैं आपसे एक बात कहना चाहती हूँ, आप अपने ऑडियंस को एक बात कहिए कि सीवीसी एक बॉडी है जो क्रिएट की गई है,
सेंट्रल विजिलेंस कमीशन.
yes, a lot of pressure should go there. The pressure should be on. I have heard that new CBI officer has come.
Yes.
And he will do something, but he should at least give assurance.
Why Ravia ma'am is referring to CVC, which is Central Vigilance Commission, is because CBI functions under Central Vigilance Commission. That's the reason why she is referring to this. Yes. Yes.
The pressure should be there.
Okay.
And
yeah. Complete, ma'am.
Everyone should write, post a letter, not change or .org, not petition.
Okay, now tell me one thing, ma'am. Jia, Divya Bharti, Pratyusha Banerjee, Sushant Singh Rajput, and there are so many other cases like this. If things have to change, what is the government should do for people like you who have lost their daughter, who have lost a mother who has lost her daughter, a family, a father who has lost Sushant? So for families like these who come to Mumbai to make their career, to come with a dream, and then they see their daughters, sons' dreams getting shattered, they dying, and all of their life completely getting destroyed. फिर ऐसे चीजों को सुधारने के लिए गवर्नमेंट को क्या करना चाहिए? क्योंकि you have been representing the government a lot.
Government will never do anything unless there is no revolution. Please. These police officers and agencies and all work for government. If government said Antalya case has to be solved, it happened overnight. And those people are behind bars. Right?
So is this pressure not sufficient? The pressure that is being put right now is not sufficient?
No, this is nothing. A revolution is a very different key. A movement is a very different key. And when you are out there and when you are there raising questions, first of all, no reports have been given even to the family lawyer. No pictures have been given to the family lawyer. There is RTI. There is a right, individual's right of information. Right? So where is any information given to them? Or either the lawyer is not giving any information to public. So it is their choice. If they want to bury it, like Disha Salian's parents are saying, please, no, leave it. We have taken peace. Now you also be in peace.
That is the reason why I don't refer to Disha Salian case. This is the reason.
Yeah, I mean, what is
because
it?
Parents are restraining us.
We understand you parents, that why you are talking like that. But we are not foolish. This is not Disha Salian. This is also our daughters. This is also tomorrow other people's daughters. So for the sake of others, at least, we know your daughter has gone. We know that my daughter has gone. But for the sake of others, I'm raising voice, right?
Yeah, so that there should not be any other Sushant or Jia Khan or anybody.
So to save our civilization, to save our society, to save and protect others, and to take everybody's pain as your pain is actually our karma, is our duty, our individual duty. There is a saying now, I will take Jia's pain, yes, because she's my weakness. But if I take the pain of others, there are many deaths happened in COVID. I was bleeding.
So it's very painful. Extremely painful.
Yes, extremely painful, but that is natural. That is in the hands of God. But here, some moron, some idiot, some bad family background people come and kill people, and you've got to be silent and say कि ये तो भैया उनका वक्त आ गया था, या तो it was God's way of doing it. You can't say these things. Then don't have judiciary, don't have law enforcement, then leave it to God and leave it to its civilization. Then don't have all this. Don't cherry pick.
So here on, should this journey be of frustration or should this journey be of struggle with positive mindset?
Why frustration? Why struggle? Why frustration? It is our voice we will keep raising. Why be frustrated? I am not frustrated for 9 years. I'm still on.
So
My
what
hearing-
should the fans do, and what should the family of Sushant Singh Rajput do, according to you?
Raise question and ask CBI to file the charge sheet ASAP and give some information. Oh, sorry, like in my case, CBI never got the dupatta, never got the BlackBerry, never got any evidences from police, right? Which is now open today, after 9 years. So tell the audience, we are sorry. At least save your image.
So 1 year down the line, ma'am, a last question. 1 year down the line, do you buy the theory that Sushant committed suicide by hanging himself? Do you buy that theory?
No, please don't. Whatever, forget about even seeing the pictures. Even if I had not seen the picture, I never saw the pictures first.
No one has seen it. No one has the picture. No one has seen it. No one saw him hanging.
Yeah.
So there's no question of pictures.
As I heard, I said it is impossible. It is impossible. And there was no reason for him.
So when CBI says we are investigating all the aspects, what do you expect CBI to investigate? Aspects means what?
CBI is not investigating any aspects. CBI is not investigating because CBI is not getting any answers from those people who had collected or who are responsible, who were there. If suppose I am supposed to ask you a question, and if you are not giving me answers, so I am quiet.
The least that agencies can do is to answer and satisfy people.
Yeah,
there's no doubt
that CBI is not telling the truth. I am sorry. Yes, you are bleeding for Sushant. You want the answers, but we are trying our level best, and we are not getting any evidences or anything. They can go to the court. The day they will go to High Court or Supreme Court, we will come to know what situation with CBI is.
So basically, you're saying even before going to the courts, come forward and say if you don't have anything, just say that you don't have anything.
No,
rather
they will
than
not,
keeping people hanging.
They will not say to us, but they should go to the court. We will come to know that what your position is.
Why is CBI not going to court then? CBI is saying investigation is on.
Exactly. That is what I'm trying to say. Why are they not going? When if they are not giving answers to public, then and they are not going to the court. So their silence is more suspicious than even the suspicious death of Sushant and Disha.
That is very important. Actually, the silence is killing. And a lot of people actually are losing hope, faith, and have doubts on the seriousness of the investigation is because of the silence.
Yeah. So there could be only two things. Either they are complicit, or they did not get answers or evidences from,
or they don't have anything. They are,
I mean, I can't even say.
Not interested. They're not interested. Let's put it that.
The central government. You see, central government also has a fund to be used on cases. If the central government does not sanction fund, so why will CBI go and investigate? To investigate, they need fund. Now there is a travel. There is a
yeah. That's right. Okay.
So, but CBI will not say that central government is not giving us fund, right? It is beyond their. They work for the government. They can't badmouth government. CBI will not say the police is not giving us because they are all hand in glove, same body. And CBI is not going to the court also.
True. Ma'am, tell me one thing, one last question. Sushant Singh Rajput, personally, if you have to describe him, because we are talking about Sushant Singh Rajput, and let's talk about him only today. So how would you describe Sushant Singh Rajput?
I would say a very talented boy, very educated, with an engineering mind, took a wrong step by looking into how Bollywood engineers.
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot for connecting. You took a lot of time out for us, and every time I call you, you give time. That's really, really, I'm thankful to you. And keep coming, ma'am, because whenever you come, and you interact. It is always very inspiring for the fans as well as nice, always nice talking to you because you come with a lot of inputs. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. So that was Rabia Khan sharing on her thoughts on Sushant Singh Rajput. You know, we lost Sushant Singh Rajput on 14th of June 2000.